So as you can see, the full Epsilon lip kit is now on the Civic, and we're gonna move on to the wing. The wing comes with the wing and the adapter already on. It comes with this neat badge. We include foam gaskets between the trunk, as well as this drill template. What you're gonna need is adhesion promoter, a pen, some scissors, a drill, and some drill bits. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and cut the template. You're gonna notice here, this has 2 inch by 2 inch reference scaling. Measure it to make sure this is scaled correctly, especially for those who downloaded it online and printed themselves. And you're gonna notice on the top right, it says FE2 duckbill Integra. So this is for the guys that have the Civic SI wing still on the car. And it lines up like this. Like so. So pretty straightforward, mark it. Like that. Flip the paper over. Same thing on the other side. Like that. And one thing you can do to sanity check is actually take your gasket, and if it lines up, then we're in pretty good shape. And now, the drill. So I'm gonna put a small hole in here first. Now drill all the way through. So now that your main holes are drilled, you can go ahead and open these holes up. So now, what you're gonna do is with this hole, make it bigger, because we're not actually going to bolt through the skin of it. We're gonna bolt through fully on the other side. So 2 ways of doing it. You can just continue to Christmas tree it, or we can get a hole saw. In this case, I'm just gonna keep Christmas treeing it. Once you test fit with a friend, just to make sure your holes line up and they're all good, go ahead and peel the double-sided tape off. Right there. Okay. This one pull this way. Good. Hold it there. Keep the other side.
Careful not to drop it in there.
That would suck.
Because you will hear clinking.
Yeah, you will hear clinking and it will suck and it will not be fun. Easy. Other than the fact that I have to go find that drill bit now.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I can't talk with you again.
Yay! But 2 casualties. Oh! Oh, I saw it!